In this video, I will be giving the tips and tricks on Block Blast and the best strategy. So first of all, think ahead. Always look at the upcoming blocks and plan where you can place them. This helps in avoiding last minute panic and mistakes. Next thing will be going to be keep the board balanced. Try to keep the board as balanced as possible. Avoid stacking too many blocks on one side. Number 2 will going to be maximize combos. Aim to clear multiple lines at once. This not only gives you more points but also clears more space for new blocks. Look for opportunities to create chain reactions. Clearing one line might set off a series of clears, boosting your score significantly. Number 3, avoid gaps. Gaps can be tricky and limit your options, so prioritize filling them to keep the board open for more block placements. Also use smaller blocks to fill in gaps and create more space for larger blocks. At the end, practice regularly. The more you play, the better you will get at recognizing patterns and making quick decisions. Keep a cool head, and especially as the game speed up, panicking can lead to mistakes. So this was the tips and tricks tutorial on Block Blast with best strategies.